Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brian and today I have a new dance tutorial for you. The song called Wine So Sweet. It's a remix by Buskilaz and Kybba. So let's start. Alright guys, let's start from the beginning. From this one, we're gonna walk front. Start with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step to your right. 5, 6. Then open your arm. Then isolation 7 and 8. Alright, one more time. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. One last time. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Alright, from here, you're gonna use your shoulder. 1, 2, close on 3, open on 4. Then hips, 5, and dip, 7, close on 8. One more time. So, and 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Alright? Alright, next. You're gonna go from 1, 2, 3, 4. Then side. 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time. I said 7. Again, 6, 7. Front. Go 1, 2, 3. Side. 5 and 6. Hit 7 and look down on 8. Let's do it a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, from here, this is 2 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side. 5, 6, up 7, pose on 8. One more time. 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up 7, 8. Good. From here, you're gonna go face to your left. You show hips 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 counts. Again, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go up on 5, 6, 7. Pose on 8. One more time. 7 and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, from here, you're gonna walk to your right. 1, 2, your arm going down. 3, close on 4. Then go 5, 6, look on 7, pose on 8. Any pose. Again. So 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, go 5, 6, look 7, and pose on 8. So after this, we're gonna do freestyle. 1, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, we're gonna walk to the front. Step your right, left, right, end up on left, away on 5, lift on 6, open on 7, close on 8. Alright, that's right. From here. Alright, ad-lib 1, 8. Ready, set, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, walk front and go right, left, 5, and 6, open, close. Alright, next, you're gonna go down for the last 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then touch here, hips 5, 6, double, 7, 8. Then you just close and going up, exit. Alright, one more time. So 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and close. Alright, good job. Let's try from the beginning. All of it. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Side 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 6, 7. Go to your right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pose. Add it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 1, 2, 3. Hop. 5, 6. Open. Hop. 1, 2, 3. Hip. 6, 7. And then 1, 2, 3. Exit. Yeah! Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like the video. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye-bye!